Hey, this is Arlene. So it is Friday the 13th. So anyways, I'm doing this video because somebody, when I was out, had to do a return to, now what I don't get is why people park all the way back here. It's kind of suspicious. So anyways, what happened is I had to, boy, there's a bunch of cars over here. I wonder what they're doing back there, like a meeting or something? That's kind of odd. Weird, but anyways. Somebody came and, oh, right up here, perps. Forgot, these are like watchdogs. So anyways, somebody, oh, and that's the one that followed me earlier when I was on Whittier Boulevard. So anyways, somebody went and got in my refrigerator and, oh, this one follows me. This is a regular. Went in my refrigerator and snatched up the cake that was my uncle's. He lives in a facility. And he can't keep anything there, so he couldn't finish his food, the cake that I brought him. So there must be some kind of perp meeting. This is big. Some kind of giant perp meetings going on. Yeah, I think it is. So anyways, yeah, so they went and they vandalized his cake. That was his cake, not my cake, and they knew it because, of course, they always follow them, so that always happens. And so, anyways, that was his cake that was purposely smashed up. Now, the thing is that I can't take the chance to give it to him because he might get sick. So I had to toss it. So what I'm doing now is that I'm going back to the bakery to get him another piece of cake. Hopefully they still have the same cake that I bought for him. And so this way he can have his piece of cake tonight. So he can't have that every day, but since my mom hasn't been able to go, I've kind of like been giving him cake every other day or every 2 days so that he can have it. So basically that's what I've been doing. And I don't know why this car pulls out when they know they shouldn't. They should wait for traffic to be clear. So now I got to go back to the bakery. This is the bakery I go to. It's a very good bakery. I know there's one here in Pico Rivera, and there's one here in Whittier. So I'm going to get him a cake, so he can have some for his nighttime dessert. Since they went and destroyed his other cake that I had gotten for him. So, and they know because if you're a TI, they follow you. And I already know they have perps working at the place where he's at and stuff. And, you know, it is what it is. I can't do anything about it. But if I detect anything wrong with him or see any suspicious marks, I will call the police and file a police report because I know they mandatory have to report it to the state of California. So I would definitely do that if I see anything wrong with him. Take pictures, document it, and call the Whittier PD. Because when it comes to somebody that is handicapped and an invalid who served his country in the Vietnam War, should not be treated that way. And they know all that information. If they did their homework correctly, that he is a Vietnam vet and he's in a home. But I know they don't care because some of the perps in my apartment complex are veterans. So, you know, whatever, it is what it is. But it was not nice of them to go in the refrigerator and take his cake and do what they did to it. So anyways, I'm here at Monarch Bakery, and I'm going to get him another piece of cake. So that's what I'm going to do right now, and we'll see how that goes. So I've got to find a parking spot right now, and right now all the parking seems to be taken as usual. So if I can't find a parking space, then I'll just keep driving around until a perp gives up one, because they usually park around here, and they take up the parking. That's what they do. Like, there's like no parking because they're here. And this is separate from Chuck E. Cheese. They'll just be sitting in their car. So anyways, I'm kind of stuck right now because this car's waiting for this car to pull out, and I gotta watch out, make sure they don't hit me. So as soon as this clears up, then I can drive around and see if I can find a parking spot. So in the meantime, that's what happened. So right now I gotta see if I can find some parking around here, and just hopefully see if I can find something here. If not, I'll just have to wait, and they usually do that on purpose. They will stall my time because they know I want to get over there, and they know that I want to go walk. So I'll just wait to see if anybody clears out. So the bakery is over here next to this place, and then this is Uno Tea House and nail place, a grill. So I've heard the food is good, but so anyways, I'm just gonna wait to see if somebody leaves their parking spot, basically. So that's what I'm doing. So anyways, I'll just wait and see what happens here. But this is usual.